Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable sign language mode on your Microsoft Teams meeting. So if you had previously enabled this feature because you had a participant with hearing impairment and you no longer need this feature, then you can disable it by following these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, go to your meeting. You can see I have my meeting here going on, then head over to more actions here. Under this, hover over settings and you should see accessibility. If you tap on accessibility, now you'll see under hearing we have sign language mode. If this is enabled, we are told it will provide an enhanced experience for sign language users. However, if you no longer need this feature, then you can turn it off by just toggling off this function here. So that's how you can disable sign language mode in Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.